What is up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll show you guys how to run Windows on your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, whatever you guys have, and at the same time still have your Mac running. So in today's video I'll show you guys how to run Windows and Mac both on the same computer. So we'll create a disk partition, one for Windows and one for Mac. And this way we'll have both systems running on our same computer. So let's get started. So to get started we'll need to download the disk image of Windows. So to do that, we'll head on to Microsoft's website and I'll link it down below. And once we're on there, just select Windows 10 right here, click confirm and select our language. And here you could download 32 bits or 64. I'm gonna download 64. And the download has started right here. It's a 4 GB file and it might take a bit to download, maybe an hour or two. And once it's downloaded, we'll continue the process. Alright guys, so now I have my ISO file downloaded for Windows, so I'm just going to drag it onto my desktop. And once I have it on my desktop, I'm going to go into Bootcamp, click continue, make sure all these are selected, continue, and now we need to plug in a USB. It's recommended to have a USB more than 16 GB. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use a SanDisk 128 GB hard drive. And let's get started. And it's automatically gonna select my disk and my ISO file. If it doesn't select that for you, you could just go and select it manually, but if it's on your desktop, it should select it automatically for you. And once we have all of that selected, and make sure it's the right disk, click continue, erase the disk, and it's gonna reformat the disk and now install the Windows system on here. This process might take 20 to 30 minutes, but I'm going to speed up the video, and once we're done the installation, we'll get back and continue installing Windows. Alright guys, so once the process is done, we'll see this screen over here, and from here we could select the disk partition and the amount of space we want to give to our Windows system. So I'm not going to give it too much, I'm just going to make it 40 GB right over here. Click install, and now it's going to create 40 GB partition for Windows, and then the rest stays for Mac. Alright guys, so once the process is done, our computer should restart automatically, but for whatever reason it does not restart, we're just going to click restart and restart our computers. Alright guys, so once our computer is on, we're going to turn on the power button, and at the same time hold the option key, and we'll see this prompt right over here. Alright guys, so from here we'll select this disk right over here, and from here we'll follow all the steps, and it might ask you for a product key, and we could go down here and skip this step and go to the next. I'm gonna select the home version. Next, accept all the policies. Next, and from here we're gonna go all the way down to the fourth partition that we just made, and it should be the same size. So 40 GB was what I created, and this, and we're gonna select that and click format, click OK, and select the disk and click next. And from now on, whenever we need to power on our computer, just hold down Option at the same time. And this will bring up a menu, and from here we could select what disk we want to boot up. So we could boot up Mac, or we could boot up Windows. So if you want to boot up Windows, we could just click on Windows, and if you want to boot up Mac, we could just boot up Mac by clicking here. Alright guys, so for whatever reason, if you want to delete the Windows software from your computer, we could just simply do that by going back to Bootcamp, click Continue, and remove Windows. Click Continue and Restore, and this will restore our computer back to OneDrive with all the space available for our Mac. Or we could do the same thing by going into Disk Utilities. From here, just deleting the Bootcamp drive. Click Erase, and that will get rid of the partition. So yeah guys, that was it for today. If you liked the video, rate it thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.